Truwe salute country people. Ma charai. Besimingia. Na una ikuna man. Nangiman. Abela. Na bamenda man. Elela boamu. Na una bakuri man. Na mi ade. Kankwe. Today no. For you a small life. We no go get plenty talk for talk. Yes. We get a small tori we want tori the tori no go long. Now we talk for una bandamba. Yeah. Only ndamba palaba day for year. Because palaba election no. Probably I don't talk say. He go die for power. Probably I say go die for power. No, go die for power. No man no sport movie. Say na he get Cameroon. Cameroon na he get am. Make no make say the one movie for power. Now there Isa Chiroma. When I know that Isa Chiroma, but no that way Anglophone crisis start. That man make a year battle. That man the lie like say I don't understand. Isa Chiroma na one of the biggest liars the way I don't know him for politics. But Isa Chiroma now don't talk say they say don't change. It don't come now. I they do thing them. I don't change. I they think say Anglophone go do this and that. Bello Buba the way they did since when that thing start. Now they just say if I win election, I go dialogue, I go liberate all man. That people they know so I know they believe them. They all them so I know they believe them. Just so say they all them so I know so I believe them. You understand? I know say plenty people into they believe them. So now the matter that they happen for politics now for country. They want to make election. They want to make election. When I see people that condition. When I see people that condition. When I talk about the matter, when I solve the matter, they all the problem are the same people, Now the same people. They want to go meet the one. The one we just wait when I saw now go meet up Kamto. No more na talk with Kamto. For see what na woman which man you go choose a to. Hope say when we go meet up Kamto, we go talk the matter. We will go know what na who go na go choose am. Why we go vote, and then we they vote. Na say me they vote for say me thing change. Me change, me power change. You don't too much now. We don't stay for that thing so we say we don't hear bad for that matter, master. All man hear bad. You know people stay with power. 43 years. 43 years we man with power. Massa. Countryman, countrywoman. Another story here, another was still another tongue damano. Andre Onana. Onana hetres poliye. Oh. Onana hetres poliye. Oninye. Onana na tena go play for Turkey. Tan. Now so they score he first go for Turkey. Tan. So Onana go play ball for Turkey. What happened for day? Yesterday, Fenerbahce play against Trabzonspor. The score he go paradam bam 1-0. Now so Onana team lost. Now the send boy one go catch him. He send him go knock the ball come back. Now so pam. Fenerbahce attacker they send the ball back. Now so they score him. Now so Onana don't take now 1-0. The team is then for number 2 position for Turkish Premier League. They call it Super Liga. Now the team now don't go down. Number 5 position now. Onana first match, first goal, first defeat for Turkey. For the other side for Manchester United. Manchester City give Manchester United 3-0, 3-0, 3 kokoso, bam. Yes. Now so by G, he take 1 goal, take 2, take 3 goal. Now so it happen for that side. Brian Bemetu, now I'm gonna send for Manchester United. You for go you Tottenham. Now you don't go Manchester United. Win ball, and if you win now. Only club, any man you win now. Any man you win now. Any man you win Manchester United. Any man you win Manchester United. Win Manchester United. Win am for here. Win am for up. Win am for any man they win Manchester United. No kana team for that kana team where they make for that kana team where they make up for that kana team. It will go be for that kana way. Amangiama water. Countryman, countrywoman. I salute my people for Biya. I salute the one there for Bamenda. I salute one there for Ekona. I salute my people there for that side for Abuja, for Enugu, for Anambra State. I salute you now for Lagos. I salute now for Accra, for Freetown, for Sierra Leone. Yes, and also now the Knack Pidgin. Now they understand we and all diaspora. I salute you now. We never subscribe for the channel. Subscribe because small time now. I will chin it up. So I will start Tori. I will start the Knack for here. I will knock strong political Tori then to conscientization. That means for inform people then for make they get awareness. We will knock them for here very soon. So we will reach that number. Before we start the fire, they talk for day. Now so the thing happen. Countryman, countrywoman. Marc Brys matter. Our brother Chi Ivo. He don't make some interview. Inside the interview, he talk how Marc Brys come for Cameroon. how we dribble minister, me minister no know say na ye dey behind that offering of Marc Brys. Now some minister now don't sign the deal, Marc Brys they don't recruit them. Because what he talk, he say na because say minister he dey against Eto. So any man wey na friend for Eto, minister no like the person, minister they hate the person. So you know why work with the person. If you dey corner Eto, they talk anything we find with Eto, he just hate you totally. But he use na his cousin for pass for make him dey recruit Marc Brys. He say talk say if you don't propose Marc Brys for Eto tell you say Marc Brys no get level for coach Cameroon. Marc Brys no get level. He level is small for go coach Cameroon. Now in the east say they talk the very thing now. What you happen for Chi Ivory talk all the way talk and also. Now the question that way we fit ask am now, countryman, countrywoman. As the thing they so. Now for here we go put end for do a small Pidgin program. We come blow and for una for this day. We will take the appointment for small time again.